Hi friends, I'm Error Slayer and today I'll show you how to minimize Google Chrome memory usage. If you're ready, let's begin. First, open Google Chrome and click the three dots in the upper right corner. Then open the settings. Click the System tab in the menu on the left. Disable Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Enable Use graphics acceleration when available. Lastly, disable Show System notifications about Chrome features and tips. The next step is to click the extensions icon in the upper right corner. Then click Manage Extensions. If you have an extension that you use regularly, you can stop it from running continuously in the background by clicking here. If you never use the extension, I recommend removing it. Finally, go back to Google Chrome settings and open the About Chrome tab. When you open this page, it will automatically update to Google Chrome if there are any updates available. All you have to do is click the Relaunch button after the update is complete. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to minimize Google Chrome memory usage has been helpful. If it was, you can subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.